Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a review on relations. So a set of ordered pairs is called a relation. So here we have set A, where we have open set, 1 comma 3, and also 2 comma 5, and then closed set like that. B, we have a set that has 3 ordered pairs here, and C, we have a set of 4 ordered pairs like that. And so given a relation, the set of X components is called the domain, and the set of Y components is called the range. So let's look at A here, the domain of A. We're looking at the first value X, so 1, and then the next X value is 2, and so this is the domain of A. Domain of B, all the X's here, so -1, 0, and 1 are all the elements in the domain of B. Domain of C, right? -3, -1, 2, and 3, like that. And so that is the domain of C. So now for the range of A, these are the Y values, right? So we got 3 and 5, right? So that's our range of A. B, 1, 5, 2, like that. So we can write it as 1, 2, 5. There you go. And for C, 2, 7, 3, 2. And so 2, 3, 7 are the values inside the range of C, and we omit duplicates. So we can write relations in many ways. One way is a set of ordered pairs. This is how we write it like that. It could be written as a table, right? -1 and 1 together, 0 and 5, 1 and 2, like that. So you see how it's the same relation, just written differently. We can have a mapping notation or mapping diagram, right? So this is our relation here. And so we have -1 getting sent to 1, like that. -1 gets sent to 1. 0 gets sent to 5, right? 0, 5, like this. And 1 gets sent to 2, like that. Okay, it could also be written as a graph, right? So here we have -1, 1, 0, 5, and 1, 2, like that. Okay, another way we can have it is a rule. We could say all the xy's that follow this rule, like that. And so this is the equation for the unit circle. And so that's an example of a relation. All the xy's that follow this rule. Okay, practice number 1. Determine the domain and range of the given relations, A and B. And go ahead and copy this down because we're also going to use it in practice number 2. So go ahead and pause the video and answer this first question. Okay, we're back. So domain of A, 1, 2, 3, like that. Domain of B, -4, -3, -3, -2. So we write it like that. Range of A, 5, 4, 3, right? So 3, 4, 5, like that. And range of B, 1, 1, 2, 2. So 1 and 2, like that. Okay, practice number 2. Using the sets of ordered pair from practice 1, draw a mapping diagram for each. So go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So A, we have 1, 2, 3 as our x values, like that. We have 5, 4, 3, so 3, 4, 5, like that as our codomain. Or the range, you could say. So the 1 is being sent to 5, like that. 2 is being sent to 4, like that. And 3 is being sent to 3, like that. If you wrote 5, 4, 3 instead of 3, 4, 5, that's fine. It's the same thing. B, -4, -3, and -2 are the domain values of B. The range, 1, 1, 2, 2, so 1 and 2. So -4 is being sent to 1, -3 is being sent to 1, -3 is being sent to 2, and -2 is being sent to 2. Okay, practice number 3. Here we are, like this. So given a mapping diagram, write each relation as a set of ordered pairs. So here's A and B. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So 1, 6, like that. 2, 5, like that. And 3, 7 as such. Next, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, and 3, 5, like that. Okay, so we have 2 more for practice, C and D, like this. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6, 9. D, 1, -1, and 1, -2, like that. Okay, example 2. Given the graph of the relation, determine the domain and range. So here we have our first graph here. We notice the domain is all the x values. It's all the real numbers. And for the range, we notice that we're going to hit all of the y values. So it's all real numbers for the range as well. B, we notice that the domain here is between -1 and 1, like that. Range is between -1 and 2, like that. C, domain x less or equal to 2, like that. Range are all the real numbers, like that. D, the domain 0, 1, 2, like that, and the range 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, E, domain between -2 and 2, range between 0 and 3, like that. Okay, so practice number 4. Given the graph of the relation, determine the domain and the range. So here's our first graph. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. Domain between -2 and 2. Range is between 0 and 1. Okay, a couple more practice problems. Here's B and C. Go ahead and pause the video. Same question. Go ahead and answer that. Okay, we're back. Domain, all real numbers. Range, greater or equal to -1. Domain here, all the real numbers. Range, all the real numbers. Last question, D here. Same question. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we got domain -1, 0, and 1, and we got range 0 and 1. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.